Hey everybody, it's Mike again, and I want to do a quick video talking about IFB. And I realize this isn't, what we do is probably not industry standard. It may not be correct in a lot of people's views because I talk with people all over the world, and the theory, the wording, and the very definition of like IFB definitely changes. But our version, it's really more about the interruptibility. So the ability to interrupt this feed. And here's one way that you can do that with Unity. Right off the bat, a lot of people jump into the channels page and they start injecting audio into one of the party line channels because it's real easy. You log into the app, boom, there's the audio you're looking for, but there's a problem. The audio is not duckable. So you start getting 2 or 3 feeds of audio injected into these party line channels, and they start becoming very loud. They start talking over each other. They're not volume controllable. It becomes real messy. Some of the customers who are having the best success with creating somewhat of an IFB, and even if it's not IFB in the traditional sense, even if it's just audio that you're going to be listening to and monitoring, that is interruptible. Here's what the customers are doing. Here's what people are doing. So whatever device that you have attached to your computer, whether that device is Dante Virtual Sound Card or it's a 16 analog input Motu via Thunderbolt or USB, if some of those audio sources need to be interruptible, come here to the Audio Feeds tab, and you'll need the Advanced Program Feed license for this. So take the audio source. Let's say, come down here, you have to define your audio sources. So let's choose audio input 1, and I'm going to leave it at 0 dB. I've called it IFB1, and I've given myself permission to listen to these different IFBs. So the difference here is when audio shows up, when audio shows up on the comms channel, so when audio shows up on a party line channel or somebody direct talks me, that audio is going to duck nice and cleanly. So I'm listening to this IFB feed, or I'm listening to some kind of audio source. Somebody talks to me on my party line channel, that audio is going to duck. And I get to choose those varying levels of ducking. But what I wanted to demonstrate here is that I can select my IFB feeds right here. And not only that, I can control the level of ducking right here. So that I can control the level of program feed, direct talk, or priority channel ducking that occurs when audio shows up on a channel and is treated as a program feed rather than audio injected into a party line. Thanks.